Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting in store for you. The Lenovo V15 Laptop. Stay tuned as we uncover the power and performance packed into this sleek black machine. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Meet the Lenovo V15, a laptop designed to redefine your computing experience. At the heart of this powerhouse is the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U hexa-core processor, giving you unparalleled speed and efficiency. With its 15.6-inch Full HD display, every detail comes to life, making work and entertainment a visual delight. But what sets the V15 apart? It's the impressive 16GB RAM and a lightning-fast 512GB SSD. Multitasking becomes a breeze, and your system boots up in seconds, thanks to this powerful combination. Whether you're a professional handling complex tasks or a gamer pushing the limits, the V15 is up for the challenge. Connectivity is key, and the V15 doesn't disappoint. With HDMI, RJ45, and Wi-Fi, you have versatile options to stay connected. Need to crunch numbers? The numeric keypad makes it a seamless experience. And here's the kicker, it runs on Windows 11 Pro, offering a secure and efficient environment for all your tasks. Now, let's talk performance. We pitted the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U against the Intel i7-1065G7, and the results are staggering. The V15 not only competes but beats the competition. Impressed? So are we. The Lenovo V15 is more than a laptop. It's a performance revolution. Now, let's check in with Realtecshop for a hands-on experience. Thanks, Realtecshop. I've been using the V15 for a week now, and I must say, it's a game changer. The FHD display is crystal clear, and the speed unbeatable. Whether I'm editing videos or diving into intense gaming sessions, the V15 handles it all with ease. The build quality is top-notch, and the numeric keypad is a lifesaver for productivity. And did I mention the battery life? It keeps going, even during those long work sessions. Lenovo really nailed it with this one. So, if you're in the market for a laptop that's stylish, powerful, and reliable, the Lenovo V15 is the way to go. Back to you, Realtecshop.